The code is 930138.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, the Softgloss MAXX still kept it. Oh, there's an old wash menu. They need to change it.
Please enter your code by touching the corresponding buttons.
930138. They need to change a wash menu. This looks the same.
Pull forward slowly into the wash.
Ryko, Softgloss MAXX, go away. Go. There's a buzzer. Now it's Ryko kind of blasting. Tyrannical applicators. This used to be a Softgloss XS2 a long time ago. It's going all the way back. Wow, I need to expand the bay. Now start with a trifoam. That's very nice. Come on. Softgloss MAXX by Ryko. Ooh. Uh-oh. Dad, almost the bump brush is touching the back of the car. So close.
Yeah.
So close.
Yeah.
So close the bump brush touching the back of the car. Causes malfunctioning.
Oh, really?
So close. I cannot believe it.
Too close.
The front brush is so close touching the back of a car.
What is it supposed
Causing
to?
malfunctioning.
Oh, I get it.
That clutch is malfunctioning.
Okay.
Shaking the car too. I hope you get a color wave on it. Oh, color wave! You got a color wave wax. Wow, color wave. Color wave. Top brush includes windshield. The machine goes all the way back to the bay. Wow. Got you the very wise. It's $12. Got you the color wave. Got waxed up in the dad's car.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's freshwater winds. Almost spot-free winds. Probably a clear coat. Top brush is spinning. Spot-free winds. Yep, spot-free winds now. Oh, get another wax on it too.
Wow.
Spot-free winds. Oh, dryers. This used to be a Softgloss access tube a long time ago. Dad, I remember there used to be a Softgloss access tube.
Yeah.
Sad it got replaced.
Right.
Sad it got replaced a long time ago, back in 2015. Color wave, clear good spot free winds in the dryer. So next time we visit, we'll get a truck and get a basic wash. Softgloss MAXX is good colors too. This is a Ryko Softgloss MAXX. With onboard dryers. Car wash. There.
Yeah.
The longest car wash ever. I hope you expanded this bay in the future. I hope they expanded the bay so the brush won't be sticking out. I hope the brush sticks out to the bay. Just one card. This used to be a Softgloss access to a long time ago.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Now it's Softgloss MAXX. Used to be a Ryko Monarch 2 a long time ago also. This used to be a Ryko Monarch 2 from the past, back in the 80s. All done. Oh! So many things so much.